Charles Darwin, a name synonymous with evolution, was a man who revolutionized our understanding of life on Earth. Born in England in 1809, Darwin initially pursued a career in medicine, but his true passion lay in the natural world. It was this passion that led him to embark on a life-changing voyage aboard the HMS Beagle, a journey that would shape his groundbreaking theory of evolution by natural selection. In 1831, at the age of 22, Charles Darwin embarked on a journey that would change the course of science forever. He set sail on the HMS Beagle, a ship commissioned by the British Royal Navy with the mission to survey and chart the coast of South America. This voyage was not just a simple mapping expedition, it was a quest into the unknown, a journey that would challenge and expand the boundaries of human knowledge. What began as a planned, 2-year expedition stretched into an adventure lasting nearly 5 years. The Beagle's voyage was fraught with challenges, from treacherous seas to uncharted territories, but it was also filled with moments of discovery and wonder. During this time, Darwin meticulously collected specimens of plants, animals, and fossils. His keen observations and detailed notes would later form the foundation of his groundbreaking theories. The diversity of life he encountered was astounding. From the tiniest insects to the largest mammals, Darwin's collection grew with each new landfall. He explored the lush rainforests of Brazil, where the vibrant ecosystem teemed with life. The dense foliage and myriad of species provided a living laboratory for his studies. In stark contrast, the arid plains of Patagonia presented a different kind of challenge. The harsh, dry landscape was home to unique flora and fauna adapted to survive in such extreme conditions. One of the most significant stops on the voyage was the Galapagos Islands. Here, Darwin observed variations in species that would later lead him to develop his theory of natural selection. The finches, tortoises, and other wildlife of the islands provided crucial evidence for his revolutionary ideas. Throughout the journey, Darwin kept detailed journals, documenting his observations and thoughts. These writings would become invaluable resources for his future work. When the Beagle finally returned to England in 1836, Darwin brought back not just a collection of specimens, but a wealth of knowledge that would forever alter our understanding of the natural world. His subsequent publications, most notably On the Origin of Species, would ignite debates and inspire generations of scientists. The Beagle's voyage into the unknown was more than a journey. It was the beginning of a scientific revolution. Among the many places Darwin visited, the Galapagos Islands left an indelible mark on his thinking. Situated off the coast of Ecuador, this volcanic archipelago is home to a unique array of plants and animals, many found nowhere else on Earth. Darwin was particularly struck by the diversity of finches, with each island seemingly harboring a distinct species, each adapted to its specific environment. Darwin's observations, particularly of the Galapagos finches, led him to formulate his theory of natural selection. This theory posits that individuals within a population naturally vary in their traits. Some of these traits, by chance, might make an individual better suited to its environment, allowing it to survive longer, reproduce more successfully, and pass on those advantageous traits to its offspring. Section 5. The finch's tail adaptation written in Beaks and Feathers. Consider the finches. In environments where seeds were the primary food source, finches with larger, more powerful beaks were better equipped to crack open the seeds, giving them a survival advantage. Over generations, as these successful birds reproduced, the trait of having a larger beak became more common within the population, illustrating the process of adaptation through natural selection. Section 6. Beyond the Galapagos, evidence from fossils and beyond. Darwin's theory wasn't solely based on his observations of living creatures, he also meticulously studied fossils, recognizing them as remnants of past life that provided a glimpse into the history of life on Earth. These fossils revealed a progression of life forms, with simpler organisms appearing earlier in the fossil record, and more complex ones arising later, supporting his theory of gradual change over time. Fossils, ranging from the tiny trilobites of the Cambrian period to the massive dinosaurs of the Mesozoic era, each tell a story of the Earth's biological past. With the advent of modern technology, scientists can now study these ancient remains in unprecedented detail, using tools like CT scans and 3D modeling to uncover hidden secrets within the fossils. The process of fossilization itself is a fascinating journey, where organic material is gradually replaced by minerals, preserving the shape and sometimes even the cellular structure of the original organism. Beyond bones and shells, trace fossils such as footprints, burrows, and even coprolites, fossilized dung, provide invaluable insights into the behavior and environment of ancient creatures. By comparing these ancient fossils with modern species, scientists can trace the evolutionary lineage and understand how different life forms are interconnected through time. Fossil discoveries from diverse locations around the globe, from the deserts of Africa to the frozen tundras of Siberia, continue to enrich our understanding of life's history. Museums play a crucial role in this narrative, showcasing these ancient treasures and engaging the public in the wonders of paleontology. These exhibits inspire curiosity and wonder, encouraging future generations to explore the mysteries of our planet's past. Collaboration among scientists from various fields, including geology, biology, and chemistry, is essential in piecing together the complex puzzle of Earth's evolutionary history. Each fossil discovery is a meticulous process, from the initial unearthing to the careful extraction and analysis, contributing to the ever-growing body of knowledge about our planet's ancient inhabitants. As we continue to uncover and study these remnants of the past, we gain a deeper appreciation for the intricate tapestry of life that has unfolded over millions of years. Section 7. A Paradigm Shift: Darwin's Impact on Our Understanding of Life. In 1859, Charles Darwin published his seminal work on the origin of species, which presented his groundbreaking theory of evolution by natural selection to the world. This theory proposed that species evolve over time through a process where traits that enhance survival and reproduction become more common in successive generations. The book sparked intense debate and controversy, challenging long-held beliefs about the origin and diversity of life. Many people found it difficult to reconcile Darwin's ideas with their existing views, particularly those rooted in religious teachings. However, Darwin's meticulous research and compelling arguments gradually gained acceptance within the scientific community. His extensive observations and the evidence he gathered from various species around the world provided a strong foundation for his theory. This revolutionized our understanding of the natural world. Darwin's theory not only explained the diversity of life on Earth but also provided a unifying framework for the biological sciences. It influenced fields such as genetics, ecology, and paleontology, and continues to be a cornerstone of modern biology. The impact of Darwin's work extends beyond science, affecting philosophy, theology, and even literature, as it prompted people to reconsider humanity's place in the natural order. Section 8. Evolution's Reach: From Medicine to Conservation, Its Relevance Today. Darwin's theory of evolution is not merely a historical concept, it remains a cornerstone of modern biology, with far-reaching implications. In medicine, it helps us understand the evolution of antibiotic resistance in bacteria and develop strategies to combat it. In conservation, it guides our efforts to protect biodiversity and manage endangered species. Section 9. Debunking the Myths: Addressing Common Misconceptions. Despite its widespread acceptance within the scientific community, Darwin's theory of evolution continues to be met with skepticism and misunderstanding in some quarters. Some incorrectly believe it implies a linear progression from simple to complex organisms, while others struggle with the concept of random chance playing a role in the development of life. Section 10. Evolution in Action: Observing Natural Selection in Our Time. One of the most compelling aspects of evolution is that it's not just a theory confined to the past, it's an ongoing process that we can observe in real time. The emergence of pesticide-resistant insects and the evolution of drug-resistant viruses are just two examples of natural selection at work in the modern world. Section 11. A Legacy of Discovery: Darwin's Enduring Contribution to Science. Charles Darwin's legacy extends far beyond his groundbreaking theory of evolution. He instilled in us a profound appreciation for the interconnectedness of all living things and the power of natural processes to shape the world around us. His work continues to inspire generations of scientists and ignite our curiosity about the origins and diversity of life on Earth.